Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, y'all. Fenty Skin finally got an eye cream out, y'all. Girl. Alright, y'all. So, as y'all heard, Rihanna now has a new gel eye cream that came out. Well, actually, I'm making this video before it comes out. My bad, y'all. Anyways, y'all, so before I continue with this video, y'all, please make sure to subscribe down below, y'all. I would appreciate it so much. And also make sure to like underneath, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think about this video. And let me know what other videos y'all would like to see in the future, okay, y'all? Now let's get with this video. Y'all see that? I got the Fenty Skin Eye Cream. Now listen, y'all, I'm gonna keep it honest with you. I have tried every eye cream in the market. I have no eye cream underneath my eye right now. I have nothing underneath. Do not judge this hair, y'all. I was gonna wash it, but I really wanted to get this video in for y'all, so this is the most y'all gonna get out of me. So like I was saying, I have tried so many eye creams. Y'all know I have tried it all, been in the industry. Nothing's new to me. I'm gonna do a comparison. I have no eye cream underneath my eyes, okay? I'm gonna do a comparison to my favorite eye cream that I've been using for like 10 years. Like, girl, I have tried every brand you can think of, for the most expensive eye cream to the cheap. Well, not that cheap, girl. I don't go that low. I have been obsessed with the Bobbi Brown Extra Repair Cream. Their eye cream, okay? That has been my jam since I can remember since the day I started doing makeup. This has been my eye cream. Again, I have tried all other eye creams, but the reason why I love this one so much, and I'll compare both of y'all later, and I'll explain something to y'all at the end. What I love about it so much is that this has caffeine. It also really helps to puff underneath my eyes. Y'all can tell I have natural dark circles. It's genetics. And it also helps out with fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, and dark circles. Now, the Rihanna eye cream, y'all. This retails for $32. Okay, which is a good price. This retails for $80. Big difference, but worth the coin. If y'all want results, y'all, it's worth your coin. Okay? Now, the Fenty Skin eye cream. Listen, so I was really like looking at it and everything and reading the box. So it's really focused on hydrating and just feeling smooth underneath your eyes. I'm guessing it's more like she's trying to make it comfortable for the concealers that she has. Hopefully it works for all kinds of concealers, which I'm going to do after I put on this eye cream and explain to y'all what I think about it. I am going to put concealer underneath my eyes so y'all can see the comparison, because there are some. Okay, the minute I found out this was an eye gel, I am not a fan of an eye gel eye cream, y'all. If it's a gel base, for nighttime I'll use it, but for daytime and I'm gonna wear makeup underneath, I have never had great experience with gel eye cream and concealer to make it smooth, y'all. Like, no crease, no nothing, like, it's smooth. Do not come for me with your eye cream telling me that now my eye cream is a gel base and it works great. Girl, let me see that in person. Let me see it without your Photoshop. Just telling y'all my feelings. But when it comes to a thick cream, and all you need is a little bit, y'all. Underneath, like the Bobbi Brown, girl, smooth, honey. One is deep puff and it's smooth. This one says the Fenty Skin Eye Gel. And the box says, over time, it'll reduce the looks of puffiness. I don't have overtime, Rihanna. I need it now. Like that commercial. I want my money now. Okay? That's why I pay $80. You get what you pay for. Remember that, y'all. So with the Rihanna, it has also hyaluronic acid as one of the ingredients. Y'all, so it's right here. It doesn't really capture well on the camera. 0.5 ounces of eye cream in here, which is great because mostly all eye creams has 0.5 ounces on their eye cream. Same as the Bobbi Brown. So y'all see this. This is plastic, you know, not the most luxurious packaging, but if it does the work, who cares? Bobbi Brown though, it what I noticed is this, it says depuffing and over time. Now I can see why Bobbi Brown depuffs instantly, because it has caffeine in it. This does not. I don't drink coffee, y'all, but I would love it in my eye cream. Now y'all see the Bobbi Brown is glass. More on the luxury side. It feels luxurious. Beautiful packaging. It's my jam, y'all. Kind of kills me sometimes to like drop $80 on the eye cream, knowing that I can go and pay like $32. But again, if it does the work, I don't care. Y'all go and pay so much money on your hair, don't y'all? And y'all satisfied with it, why? Because y'all know that for what you're gonna get on the box, it's not the same what you're gonna get at a salon. Right? Quality. Quality? We're about to find out. Alright, y'all. Oh, and by the way, it does come with a roller. I kind of saw that in the video. I didn't get the roller just because what they're trying to do is like reduce the water underneath your eyes and puff it out. I need your eye cream to do that, sweetheart. I don't need to go buy an extra tool in order for me to make sure I get depuffed underneath my eyes. Your eye cream better do that itself. I ain't got time to go and pay extra more money for a roller, knowing that this eye cream does it by itself. All you honestly need, the tool that you need for an eye cream is your ring finger, y'all. It's the softest touch out of all the fingers. That is the softest touch. You go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can go 3 times. Just, that's it. And you can see the results. I don't need no tool to be doing the most. But if y'all want the tool, good for you, girl. Alright, y'all. So all you need is a pea size. I saw Rihanna in the video, kind of was, I don't know, way too much, which is not good for your eye area. All you need is a little bit. Pea size goes a long way. But I will add a little extra just so y'all can see that in the video. So we're gonna add a little bit and let me feel the texture. So y'all see that? Even that is way too much. That could last me a couple days. So now we're gonna go with the eye cream, and I'm gonna go underneath my eyes. Okay? So I'm gonna tap, tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Now let me feel it. It does feel hydrating and smooth. That's for sure. It's not sticky, which I like. It does feel a little bit cooling underneath my eyes, which I love, which is great. Now this is the thing about gel base. It's that's another reason why I do not want to use. That's another reason why I do not want to use a roller. Cause when you roll, and as expensive as eye creams are, you get products left on the little roller area. And that's just a waste of product. So it does feel, it feels good. I don't feel like it did much of a difference underneath my eyes. It doesn't really wow me right away, to be honest with y'all. Again, I'm trying to be honest. I'm an honest person, okay? I'm gonna be upfront with y'all. I don't need to sugarcoat nothing for nobody. Not even Rihanna. She ain't writing me no check. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all about what I think about any company and any brand. Alright, so the eye cream is on, y'all. I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna go with the Bobbi Brown on this eye. And I'm gonna show y'all the difference. There it is right there, y'all. It's nice and rich and thick. A little bit goes a long way. Y'all see that? Alright. So I'm gonna go underneath the eyes. And dot that in. It's so rich. And I don't know what it is about the Bobbi Brown cream, but I instantly feel something working. I feel it. I don't know exactly how to explain it to y'all, but it feels like it's doing something, which I like. So this eye right here with the Bobbi Brown, I feel something happening. If y'all wondering what I'm looking at, I have a mirror right here. I feel something where I still don't see much going on here, but it kind of gives me like that smoothness right away with my fine lines. Just underneath a little bit right here, y'all. This feels more hydrating. This doesn't really feel like I put much of anything on that area. Which y'all saw the amount that I put on. That was way too much. but I still put it on just so I can show y'all. Y'all don't come for me later on like, oh, you didn't put enough, blah blah blah. I put enough, girl. Now the big test is, how does it look with concealer? And just so y'all know, this will be day and night. The Rihanna Skin. Bobbi Brown, also day and night. Alright, y'all. Now I'm gonna grab my concealer. Alright, so I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer on the Fenty Skin side. Just a little bit. I am going to grab my beauty blender. Now let's see what it looks like. Now, just so y'all know, I'm not about to do the most, like here, you know, the whole craziness you see on Instagram. I'm just trying to focus on my under eye. Is it too bright? I don't know. Let me compare to the other side. I'm gonna add concealer on this side, okay? Okay, so the same amount. Let me blend it. Alright, so this is the Bobbi Brown side. What do y'all think? It's smoothing out right here, the puffiness. This is a close-up, y'all, so do not come for me. This is... Remember this on my channel, y'all. I am not your Instagram filter, okay? I'm not about to go... This is reality, y'all. Those people that you see with those filters on their face, that's not what they look like in real person. This is concealer in reality. I'm not here to conceal a whole cake face. I'm just trying to conceal the colors. That's what concealer is, y'all. Concealer is just to correct your skin tone and underneath. Okay, so you see how nice and smooth? Okay, so this is Rihanna. Notice that it's giving me lines right there. And it feels dry. It feels kind of dry. Now it's enhancing my line areas right here. This is Rihanna's side. This is Bobbi Brown's side. Doesn't really enhance much. This one, it does. Rihanna. Now, at the end of the day, so it does look a little bit crazy because I don't have a full face on. So it's like I look so bright underneath my eyes. I do look a little crazy, so do not come for me. But, that's why I don't like gel base. But, I will say, even though it does feel kind of dry, it doesn't feel, because I have very dry skin, it doesn't really bother me. It doesn't feel like I don't have an eye cream. Like I feel like I do have an eye cream underneath, because it doesn't feel tight and dry, but it's still creasing underneath, not like this one. And it looks more blurred. This one I can see more texture. Can y'all see what I'm talking about? Bobbi, Rihanna. Okay. The Rihanna eye cream, y'all, is good for $32. I give it to her for $32. So, I'm not mad at it. For $32, y'all, it's good. I like it. I gotta give it to her, y'all. Because, you know, it does have hyaluronic acid. But again, Bobbi Brown is still my eye cream. I still haven't found anything else in the market that wows me yet. Trust me, I tried Dr. Harbor, y'all, Dior, Chanel, Sunday Riley, Dr. Dennis Gross, all types of eye creams. So the Bobbi Brown eye cream is still my jam. But yeah, y'all, so that is your Fenty review. Again, it's gonna hydrate, y'all. That's its main focus, and a depuff later on for $32. So I just wanted to show y'all with the concealer what it does. Again, do not come for me because I look like a fool right now with just concealer underneath because I have no foundation on. So understand that. Do not come for me. By the way, y'all, I did not review Rihanna's skincare, her whole line, just her eye cream on my channel. But if y'all do want to see a good review of the Fenty Skin, make sure to go to my homegirl's YouTube channel, Sister Shanae, Shanae. Make sure to go to her channel, y'all. I'm gonna put her link underneath for Terrica. Y'all can see her review, what she thinks about Fenty Skin. Love her, enjoy her, subscribe to her channel. And y'all, this is what I'm gonna give y'all, okay? I'm just keeping it honest with y'all, you know. So either y'all can go with Fenty or save your coin or go for Bobbi Brown or just stick to the eye cream that y'all love. Again, make sure to use your little ring finger. Y'all don't need to be doing the most with tools. I like the tools. Here's a good advice. Use the tool before you do the eye cream. depuff it, and then apply the eye cream. There you go. That was quick. Love y'all so much. Let me know what y'all think. Make sure to like and subscribe. And please follow me, y'all, on my Instagram channel, The Boy Monroe, right here, y'all. I appreciate y'all. Make sure to subscribe. See y'all on the next one.